Ashley from Vanguard School in Lake Wales, Florida, and this is Poppy. She's about a 6-7 month old yellow lab that we're going to use as a therapy pup with our students at the school. As you can probably imagine, as a puppy and a Labrador, she was just kind of all over the place, really hard to keep focus, very distracted, ran around. Our concerns were her being able to attend, her being able to be gentle and soothing, and her being able to listen to commands and not be aggressive when she's so excited to meet somebody new. So we couldn't be happier with the progress that she made in only a couple of weeks. Abby's an amazing trainer, and Puppy is going to be a fantastic asset to our school. We could not be happier. Thank you so much, Off Leash.
Good sit, good girl. Down. Good girl, Puppy. Break. Yeah. Good job. Good girl. Yay. Heel.